Who runs the show? Unveiling the ownership behind Questrade. Ever dreamed of being your own boss, calling the shots on your financial future? Maybe that's why you're here, considering online investing platforms like Questrade. But before you dive headfirst, it's natural to wonder, who exactly is behind the wheel? Understanding the ownership structure of a company you trust with your hard-earned cash is crucial. It sheds light on their priorities, their vision, and ultimately, their accountability to you, the investor. So, who is the mastermind behind Questrade? From humble beginnings to discount broker king. The Questrade story starts in 1999, the brainchild of a young entrepreneur named Edward Kolodenko. Back then, the online brokerage landscape was dominated by high fees and limited options. Kolodenko envisioned a more accessible, transparent way for Canadians to invest. Fast forward to today, Questrade has become a household name, boasting the title of Canada's largest discount broker. But unlike some publicly traded giants, Questrade maintains a private ownership structure. This means they aren't beholden to the whims of the stock market or the pressure of quarterly earnings reports. So, who exactly owns Questrade? Here's where things get interesting. Questrade operates under the umbrella of Questrade Financial Group Incorporated. This parent company serves as the driving force, but it doesn't necessarily translate to a single, wealthy individual pulling the strings. There have been speculations about external investors or private equity firms holding stakes in Questrade Financial Group. However, the company has remained tight-lipped about its ownership structure beyond Edward Kolodenko's founding role and his position as CEO. The benefits of a private owner. Now, you might be thinking, secrecy? That's a red flag. But hold on. There are potential advantages to a private ownership model. Here's why. Long-term focus. Freed from the pressures of short-term gains for shareholders, Questrade can prioritize long-term development and innovation, potentially benefiting users in the long run. Autonomy in decision-making. Without external investors dictating every move, Questrade has the flexibility to make strategic decisions that align with their core values and user needs. Alignment with investor interests. When the owners are also invested in the company's success, it creates a natural incentive to prioritize user satisfaction and platform growth, potentially leading to a more investor-centric approach. Transparency, a double-edged sword. Of course, the lack of transparency also raises questions. Accountability is essential, and without clear ownership structures, it can be harder to hold the company responsible for its actions. Additionally, the absence of external oversight might limit the resources available for continuous improvement. The bottom line, should the ownership structure concern you? Here's the thing, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. It ultimately depends on your individual comfort level and risk tolerance. Do your research. Look beyond the ownership and delve deeper into Questrade's track record, their fee structure, platform features, and user reviews. See if their values resonate with yours, and if their offerings align with your investment goals. Remember, you're the one calling the shots with your investments. Choose a platform you trust, one that empowers you to take control of your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.